When you're missing a single tooth, you have four options really. One is to do nothing. The second is to do a fixed dental bridge, which involves cutting teeth down to replace the missing tooth with a fake tooth we call a ponic. Another option is to fabricate something that comes in and out of your mouth. Very uncomfortable, hard to chew with, but it does fill the gap. The third option is current, what most people today is the best option, is to place a dental implant or a screw into the jawbone that we're able to place a tooth on. One of the benefits of having dental implants is that it's a permanent lifetime restoration. We don't worry about periodontal disease, we don't worry about decay, we don't worry about much of anything can go wrong once the implant's placed in the bone and its property. It still has to be cleaned. Basically, a water pick is excellent for a lot of cases because it'll remove the debris from the mouth. And then we can use dental floss around the implant to remove any plaque that builds up. You want to do that because the soft tissues can get irritated and cause bleeding and a problem if you don't. As far as chewing goes, people are able to eat carrots, able to eat anything they want. And so chewing is a very important part for our health. And being able to eat properly gives a lot of benefits to people. They don't chew soft foods anymore because they have dentures or they're missing teeth. So it's a great benefit to your health.